Some mothers, they very cruel and wicked. Some mothers, where they see them, you go to say na real mama, but na winch dey their body. You get one mama, she don't go assault her daughter, all because of say waiting. She say make this girl brush her teeth. The girl, you know how small pikin go they do now, they go they do stubbornness. If you see as this woman twist this pikin hand, twist am one break am like say she dey wash mama, they rotate am. Make una watch video of how this mama take beat this pikin. I don't see as this mama, so mama wicked though. And this one they talk say, now this woman even born this pikin. No be say, now their house girl, no be anything like that. So person go just dey wicked because of saying one brush. Now by force to brush it. Ain't it no they smell, now leave her. Now small pikin. And some people say they talk say, pikin they very stubborn. Yes, we know say some pikin they very stubborn. But in this case, me I see and say, this woman just they put out her frustration. All the wahala wey dey her life, now she just pop for this girl body. She won't break the girl bone. No. Una see the video now. As she turn am, come use her hand, still give am jacking on top of the thing. This mama too wicked. And some people they even talk say they don't even receive more than this kind of beating. Say this one a home training. Which kind of home training be for this kind of small pikin? This girl never even assure herself say she not go even don't reach 5 years old. Now they beat like this. That means if you can't get pikin will be like 20 or be 15 years, you go down use knife kill her. And this one they talk, her neighbor say, not be only even this girl she they do for, say all her pikin. Now so she they beat them. The worst part now, the day where you go over offend her, she go carry knife, cut you. In fact, they inflict pain. I don't know how she want to do. I don't see where somebody go use blade, cut him pikin, pour pepper, say, he wants me body they pepper. We sure say we'll be human being for this life. We sure say as we there, as God create us, no be devil come remold us, bring us out. Because this woman thing shocked me. She called the talk in her home training. Which kind of home training be this one? As it be me, I fine. Make police go find this woman because this kind of thing is no good. If you know say your husband don't vex you, maybe the husband no even maybe the husband don't leave her. Now that vex, maybe the pikin self can't go resemble him papa, carry the papa nose, carry papa ear. As she they see the pikin, now so vex go they catch and say, hey, this man do me this one. I make her come do this kind of thing for the pikin. No? Because no be today. Even neighbors, person where they record this thing, they talk say, once you make this girl no go come outside, go face the woman. You know how many times this girl don't go face this woman? This woman go cause her, tell her things where she don't even hear. Maybe now make she just leave the woman say anything we won't do to your pikin. Do, but this girl nice still come out and say, may people find her behind a police or behind a human rights people, may they come carry this pikin come out. Not be only all her children because it be like say this woman gets coins coming for head. It be like say one nut don't lose, they don't mix and drop for one place for this woman. Because the way she they behave on top of her children, I don't understand. Fine, some pikin they stubborn. Give them punishment, make the thing end for there. This hand now, if this hand break, I beg go, who won't pay this money for hospital bill? Not be still you. I mean, you go talk say you no go treat this pikin. You go say treat am now. So wetin come be the essence of what this kind of pain and suffering? Anything where they do ya, keep am aside, put them for one place. Not be this pikin put you in problem for your life, oh. Not be this pikin as you know say you know one born. You go use protection. No go do the thing, enjoy and finish. Come born pikin talk say, na person nine do you. Nobody send you message. Now you decide say you want born boys, you want born girls. You can't bring them finish come now. You can't they behave like person where something they worry. This kind of matter they really vex me because all this kind of thing. You know if say na abroad now. This pikin if even go report to this mama and they go arrest them. But as in Nigeria, this one happen. Everybody they talk say, say they don't feel beat pikin again. They don't feel correct pikin. Yes, you feel beat pikin. But nobody say go turn the pikin hand say you won't break them because of brushing of teeth. Unless say another thing they where this pikin do, now they beat them like this. Cane they there. Use cane, try make him open your hand, flog them. And I make kids, children of nowadays, if you notice, they fear their mama. They fear because they know they fit tell their parents things. Something go do them. I bet somebody go even do that. So they don't go fit tell their mama because they look say, if I tell my mama now, my mama go even come beat me, join them. They don't go find, they know they're free to talk to their parents because every time their mama they vex. Mama go put anger for, before you go talk this one, they don't carry slippers. Use and throw you for where you dey. All this our parents making her they calm down, I beg. Making her calm down well. Because all these kind of things when they do, now they see I'm saying na home training. The pikin fit grow now, go look and say, my mama do me this one, my mama wicked me. That wickedness now, she will come put am on top of her own pikin again. For pikin wey no even know anything, no even know as you even take born her, she no even send you message. You go come dey pour ordinary beating and suffering on top of this pikin. Abeg o, this kind thing e dey very wrong. And if na people wey dey even do am for children wey dey go carry come their house, they go collect them say they wan turn them to house girl, they go carry them go school, they no go do anything, so they go dey maltreat them, these people children. Abeg, make una stop this kind attitude, especially women dey very wicked with this kind acts, and they sabi do all this kind thing. Meanwhile, they even talk, I know people wey dey always do am. Abeg o, make una dey calm down, relax. No matter wetin pikin go do you, give am punishment. Or if you wan flog am for hand. No go break person pikin neck, talk say you dey train am. If the pikin die, aunty, you go prison. And people, nobody go support you, nobody go even bail you, because the thing wey you go do, people go even use am against you, say you be winch. Anyway, na so I bring this matter. Anything wey una feel about this matter wey happen, make una write am for the comment section. Then make una no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see una for our next video. Hey, things sabi happen. One 14-year-old girl don pour hot water for her senior brother body. In fact, this small pikin na winch, na ogbanje. You no dey even fear. Hot water, you go boil water, carry and pour for your brother body. Una dey do things. So this whole matter now, wetin even result to all this thing na, they say this girl no dey stay for house. Small pikin of 14 years old. Now so she go dey waka kurukere. Wetin she dey find? We no know. If she get belle now, we go hear another story. They say sometimes 9 o'clock this girl never come back. 10 o'clock this girl never come back. Now this brother start to dey worry. May I first listen to this voice note first.
On top of bike with the anger now, as a senior brother, I just gave her slap. Slap that she even wished with her hand, just two, before people were now like holding me, the bike man and some other people that were passing, that were saying leave her, that she's small baby, this one, that one. She went home. Me, then I went straight to that friend's house that she and the girlfriend, and I went there and told the mom and dad, like, I don't want to see their daughter around my sister again. That their daughter is spoiling my sister, and my sister is still spoiling her daughter. Like, the two of them, nobody is leaving each other. Already gone out from my heart. Then I just came and warned her and told her that today she will not go out anywhere. That I just shouted. Then, guy, this morning, I was just sleeping. I was just having a good sleep. By 5 o'clock, somebody just came inside my room. It was her with one ball in her hand. The next thing she told me, Abi, it's me that you have the mind and slap that yesterday. My junior sister. Before I could, sleep eye. Before I could just raise my eye and see, she have poured all the what that is. If you see my body, this.
And I don't hear wetin this brother talk. Say this girl, normally she dey keep late night, so you know they too worry. But this the time don't go. 11 don dey go knack. This girl never come. Now I ain't go meet the neighbor say, e be like say my sister don lost, so making her help me find this small girl, because things where they happen for Nigeria now, you suppose find your person. And they start to dey find this girl. They no see this girl. The brother even can't go the friend house, because e be like say na this friend sef na they spoil this girl. As they reach there, they no see the girl for there. The brother begin worry, say abi they don't kidnap his sister. As in brother they find this girl, now he sit down, they wait, now Okada carry this girl come. Out of anger, now this brother give this sister slap. Now people they even beg him, say, why even beat the girl? But people they there, now people come they beg and say, leave this girl. Now small pikin. Now I ain't go meet the girl, say, you know, say if they don't already beg you finish, your anger will don't die. Now it's okay, make I leave this girl, say, okay, the anger don't come off my body. But he can't sit her down, talk to her, warn her. Say she no go to come outside again. Say this kind waka wey she dey waka, he no like him. Now brother sleep, that night they sleep. Around 5 early morning. Now this girl come meet am, say, shebi na you raise your hand, slap me. See this girl even get confidence. 14 years old girl. Make we dey careful. All these children of nowadays, they don't over spoil. Pikins where they come up now, they too spoil. As the brother they talk saying, shebi you raise your hand, slap me. Before this brother go see, this girl don't carry hot water, pour for the brother face and all in body. Hey, this girl now winch. He sure say this girl they go through spiritual problem. Something they worry this girl. This girl feel be 14 years old, but for her secret court, her winch, in fact, she don't reach 50. Now she be the oga. How you go carry hot water, pour for your blood brother? Brother will they try help you? This boy just dey try protect her o, because this girl na small pikin. Maybe this kind person sef na still secondary school she still dey, but because her body don big, na her breast don big, she don feel say na me dey in town. Wetin you dey even go collect? Where you dey go? 11 o'clock. This whole thing now wey dey happen, the brother dey talk say na around like 12. So pikin, small pikin, you never come house around 12. In fact, where this girl, where una parents dey, plus this boy and this girl, where una mama? E be like say sometimes na mama na dey fit handle pikin, because if they dey with their brothers, they no dey fit control them. They go dey look say na my senior brother na, bia na 1 year abi 2 years na, the brother no even too beat am o, ordinary slap. If say your mama come use cane wipe you, see all this kind cane wey they go dey flog you to speed, when you go dey touch am, they no go even count am o. That one sef, they never even start. They go say you just dey start, you just dey learn, you no even collect your real cane. If say na that one they come do for you nko, at 14 you pour hot water, that means by 24 you go use knife kill your brother. Make this brother dey careful o. My advice for am, in fact that girl, no better you go carry am go dash am to person, because this kind pikin na evil pikin. For person to carry hot water wey don boil pour for your body, look as the boy face be now, see him body. Wetin you wan come talk say na devil abi na wetin? This pikin dey suppose, I no even know, they suppose even get jail term for children, because e be like say all this pikin wey dey now, winch, evil spirits don dey inside their body. If they call her now, she go talk say na one kind spirit enter her body. Nothing enter her body, na just winch, the kind winch wey dey her soul na im dey function. But this kind pikin now, I no know wetin they go do for her, whether they go carry her go. No be, this one no be psychological problem, na just wickedness. She just want her freedom. Maybe they go leave her, make she kuku go dey do wetin she dey do. But this boy sef, make they try take care of am o, because all this kind mood, the thing affect him face. Make people no go dey run from am from the future. You wan marry now, wife go say your face don spoil, he no fit marry you. Make they try take care of am. People sef, make their parents sef come in, because I no know where your mama go dey, where all this kind matter go dey happen for small pikin. I don't know wetin dey happen o. Now here I go dey leave una with this kind tori o. Make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel o, as we go dey see una for our next story.